Tablecraft has a wide selection of cast iron pieces that complement every space. Each piece goes beautifully from oven to table and can be used indoor or outside to set a rustic and classic presentation. Cast iron from oven to table in a snap, and the non-stick surface makes them very easy to clean. Simply clean with a sponge and hot water, don't use detergent, and towel dry right away. If your cast iron rusts, it can be cleaned and reseasoned easily. Start by creating a cleaning paste using vinegar and baking powder. Scrub all signs of rust off your pan, flipping it over and doing the bottom as well. Dry immediately, and you're ready to reseason. If cared for properly, cast iron can stand the test of time. To learn more about cast iron collection, visit our website or talk to your Tablecraft sales rep.